So hello guys, and welcome to this quick review of the ORICO USB 3.0. Now guys, some questions about this yesterday about the 3.0, the USB 3.0. Guys, it does work, okay, it's much faster than the 2.0, but you need to have a board, okay, so your computer must already have the 3.0 motherboard. If you don't have those ports already on your computer, then your computer is not ready for 3.0. But if you want to see and find out if you have them, then check the links below this video where I'm showing you how I built my computer from scratch, from the ground up, piece by piece, and there you can see. So check the links below this video for more details. Now the ORICO, the one I have here, this is a 48 watts, which is perfect for what we're going to be using for. Okay, so there is a 10 port. You know, I can use up to 6 USB minus ASIC USB minus on it, and it should be fine at 48 watts. They should work just fine. Okay, full throttle. So let's look inside the box to see what's inside. Okay guys, so this should be, hopefully, you know, one I ordered is the power adapter inside. So there you go. So right at the top we have the hub. So let's put it here to the side and see what else comes in. So there you go. So it's a good power adapter, guys. UK plug. It's a good power adapter. Current goes in at 240 and comes out at 12 volts, 4000 mA. Yeah. Okay, so it's 48 watts. That's good. So this adapter can actually be used for the other miners, you know, guys, for the machine. Yes, I can see it can be used even to power the machines. So I might be chasing some of these adapters very soon. Again, so we have another cable, obviously US cable. You know, when you use that, then there's a conversion. Actually, we're gonna have to use it because there is no conversion. So it comes with a conversion for the UK. So it's good, guys. So you can start using it straight away. And again, there is a cable, and as you can see, here is the 3.0 cable. Okay, so very quick, no much about instructions or anything. So let's put this back here. Okay, and let's take a quick look at the hub. Okay, because I can't wait actually to put this hub on and start putting my USB miners into it. Guys, it's actually light, very light. And at this point, you know, I don't really care about the looks. All I care is if it does work and does what it says on the tin. Okay, just very quick, so you can see, there they go. So 10 ports, on and off switches. The other side you have the USB 3.0 connector, power supply goes in there. Okay, the power adapter and another USB 3.0 in there, and a 5 volt. So this is good if you want to charge mobile phones and stuff like that. So guys, pretty good ORICO USB hub, great for mining and test the power. So there you go, guys. This is my review of the ORICO. Please comment, rate and subscribe. Check the links below this video for more tips, how to mine and other things I'm up to. And again, if you want to check if your machine has a USB 3.0 already installed, the link is below the video showing how I build the computer and how to find that out as well. So once again, please comment, rate and subscribe. Bye bye for now.